This is Careers 360 reporting live from ZAT Examination Center for ZAT Maha coverage. We have Shubham with us, another candidate who just gave his examination. Shubham, is this your first attempt and how was your overall experience?
Yes, this is my first attempt, and my overall experience would be it was a fine exam. It was not too difficult, not too easy. It was somewhere in the middle, as per what was expected overall.
You just describe us the entire pattern, the type of questions in each section in paper 1.
Okay, paper 1 had 3 sections. One was your decision making, which is basically how you function in an organization, the decisions you'll be taking. They were somewhat on the trickier side for the if I compare them to the past few years. If you take quantitative ability and data interpretation, that was comparatively easier than what I was expecting. And English was a hit or miss. English is subjective to how much you know English, and like English is something you think your English is correct. So it's a hit or miss kind of pattern, but overall it was on the easier side as well. And the second section was this essay thing and the GK. GK was again very easy because it wasn't exactly related to current affairs. It was more like a general sort of pattern, and there were like 3 or 4 questions that was straightforward on the automobile section. So anybody who was passionate about it would know the answers to that. And the essay was also a very straightforward topic about technology and nature going hand in hand, or are they not in hand in hand? Are they natural enemies? That's basically.
So do you think that the time difference, the 170 minutes for paper 1 and then 35 minutes for paper 2, completing paper 2, they were enough, or you needed extra time, or?
It was more than enough. I mean, if you know you can do even the whole exam in 170 minutes and the 35 minutes allotted. And in the end, in both exams, I had in the end like 15 minutes remaining to do nothing actually. So I just revised the same and everything.
And any technical glitch or any wrong kind of question?
Nothing as such I noticed. Yeah, maybe a few questions might, like rounding off in something, maybe that might be an error on my part or not on their part. But then again, you could pinpoint to the answer. There was not a big error in any way.
So what is your rating about the change in pattern? 5 being very good, satisfied, and 1?
I'm somewhere on a 4. I really don't. It doesn't make a difference because in the end, the change in pattern is for everybody. It's not for me specifically. So yes, for me it's fine. I mean, give me any exam, we'll have to do it, and everybody's playing on the same level playing field. Doesn't matter.
Okay. And what are your expectations?
I'm expecting. I'll probably say I'll not be in the very high 99 percentiles or anything, but I may get a call. I mean, it's a 50-50 chance. I may get a call, I may not get a call. I'll be on the lower side of the cutoff, yeah.
And Shubham, this is our B School Almanac. It has all the information which an MBA aspirant should read. And thank you so much. All the best for your future. This is ZAT Maha coverage reporting live from ZAT Examination Centers. Stay tuned on www.careers360.com.